Hi everyone, I'm Mike and I am from the MELLO Group at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in the St. Cloud area and we're in an area in between Lake Nona and actually a brand new community called Sunbridge. It's going to be an amazing community, and in this specific community we're going to show you this villa behind me. So this villa is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage villa, and it is available right now, and today is March 16th, 2022 for $387,990. So if you are interested in this, they have some available, but they may sell out really fast. The market's been kind of crazy and the pricing may change tomorrow as well, so make sure you contact us and we'll see if we can get you reservations to actually purchase one of these. So come ahead and follow me and I'll show you. So now a villa, of course, you're going to have one side, you're going to have actually 2 living spaces on either side. So you have a 2-car garage on this side taking care of this villa, and then you also have another villa that shares the roof with each other. So come ahead and follow me. We'll go down the pathway. This is 1,608 square feet. The model is called the Cameron. It's built by DR Horton. It's all concrete block construction all the way around. And let's go ahead and go in. Now we have Jasmine inside. She's one of the new realtors on our team. So let me head ahead and knock on the door and introduce you to Jasmine.
Hey, come on in. So as you enter into the home, the first little room that you have in here is the little office that you have. You can sit right here. You have a window, see your Amazon packages coming in. Cute little feature that you have. And then let's take you through the rest of the house. I'm gonna come back to the kitchen. I wanna take you over to this side, show you this is where you can put your washer, dryer, little laundry room. And then you have a full 2-car garage, which is great. And then we'll come back this way. And then you have your coat closet. So right when you come in, you can put your coats in, and then you have your pantry. Get in there and check that out. So right now they don't have one in here, but this is where your refrigerator would go. I love that they have these really nice countertops here with the wood. Let me see if those aren't soft close, but they are really nice cabinetry in here. Very basic kitchen, but this is an inventory home, so what you see is what you get in here. And then let's head over this way. You can put a little dining room table in here. And as you see on the wall, they put little finishing touches. That's what you can do at the end, put the little wood finishing touches when you purchase the home. And we'll head this way, actually. Almost forgot this side. So this is where your second bedroom is and your bathroom. So let's take you into the bedroom. You have your bedroom, you have your window. They got the bed all set up in here. They have recessed lighting. And then you have actually a pretty large closet. No light in there, sorry. But you have a pretty large closet in there. And then take you over here to the bathroom. So it is a 2-2, as Mike said. And again, they put the nice counters in here. And it's weird, they got these interesting light switches that we discovered, these big light switches. And then your standard bathroom, again, bathroom shower together combination. Almost forgot this side, but I didn't. And then there's, of course, another closet, more storage. You need it here in Florida. So let's head on this way. Of course, like I said, this can be your dining area and then your living space all in one. You can even get a premium lot that has a nice little view, as you can see out here with your porch, covered porch, which is nice. Sure, you could screen that in if you needed to later on when you close. But let's head on this way into the primary suite. Again, you have the recessed lighting and they put the wood paneling on there as a feature. Nice, decent sized room in here. And you have dual closet. So we'll go into this one. Dual closet, and then we have this closet. Great feature. So okay, let's go right into here, into the primary suite. Bathroom, you have a standard walk-in shower. They put in this cool design where you can put your shampoo, your conditioner, all that stuff. And then this is, of course, your lavatory bathroom area. Ooh, let me get over here. And then dual sinks, again, with a nice cabinetry, as well as, I love this countertop. I believe it's quartz, don't quote me on it, but I think that's what it is. And then we'll come back here. So awesome, love these closets, and we're gonna head you back over to Mike.
All right, thanks Jasmine. So If any of you are interested in buying or selling anywhere in Central Florida, make sure you give us a call. Myself, Jasmine, Amanda, Jonathan, Juliana. We have a whole bunch of people on our team can definitely help you either find or sell your home. Our phone number is 407-487-3030. And if you watch all the way through, make sure you like and also subscribe to our channel. We'll definitely appreciate that. Thanks, Jasmine. Thanks, Haley, behind the camera. And talk to you all later. Take care. Bye-bye.